If you also have given IELTS general training many times but you are unable to score your desired bands, or if you want to apply for work permit in Canada or even for the permanent residency in Canada, or should I say IELTS has been a nightmare for you, today I am going to provide you a better, quick and the easiest alternative for IELTS general training. So stay tuned with me till the end of this video. My name is Amandeep. I know many of you have the target of scoring minimum 7 in general training IELTS, or even I should say 8777 band is the target if you want to apply for the permanent residence in Canada, but you are unable to do so. Or even if you want to apply for work permit, then also you need minimum 5.5 or around 6 band I should say. But IELTS general training is not your cup of tea. That means if your level is too low, then what is the better option? What can you do? How can you migrate to Canada for your better future? So I am going to talk about PTE course. Yes, PTE course, the alternative for IELTS general training. So two questions are very common, I think, in the mind of every student. First question is that if it is valid for work permit or not. Yes, PTE core is valid for work permit and it is valid for PR in Canada as well. PTE core has only one limitation, which I will discuss in the ending of this video. So PTE core, what is the major difference between the IELTS general training and PTE core? The main first difference between IELTS general training and PTE core is that IELTS general training marking criteria involves a human interaction. So whereas PTE core is only AI assessed, it is only computer based exam and it is assessed through an AI system. This is one of the major and the main difference between IELTS general training and PTE core. Second main difference lies itself in the format and the pattern of IELTS general training and PTE core. IELTS general training obviously consists 4 modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking, and PTE core also consists of these 4 modules. But the level of the exam, the pattern of all the 4 modules is totally different from IELTS and PTE core. These 2 exams are totally different in their format and in their assessment criteria as well. So I would suggest that if you are not able to score that desired band in general training IELTS, you should go for PTE core. I would not say PTE core is very easy, but if your level is good enough, if you are good at English, you can score your desired band in PTE core also. PTE core is for those students who want to migrate to Canada, but they have little knowledge about English. They are not at intermediate level, they are just basic level, right? So basic level wale students, they can go for PTE core. PTE core is not very easy. It is difficult, but it is less difficult as compared to IELTS general training, right? So second main difference between IELTS general training and PTE core is that the marking criteria of IELTS involves the separate assessment of all the 4 modules, whereas in PTE core, the assessment and the evaluation is interconnected and integrated, which means speaking will give you score in reading and listening and writing. Writing will give you score in reading and listening. Listening will give you score in reading and writing. So all these modules are interconnected, integrated in PTE core, which definitely is a very good booster to boost your score in PTE. In IELTS, you are assessed between the 0 and 9 band level, whereas in PTE core, you are assessed between 20 to 90 points, and 90 point is the highest point, and it is very easy to score 80 points in PTE core, which will help you to get your desired score and you can easily apply for your work permit or permanent residency, right? So this is the main difference between IELTS general training and PTE core. अगर आपसे IELTS नहीं हो रही है, अगर आपको IELTS difficult लग रही है, I will personally suggest you to go for PTE core. It is quite very easy as compared to IELTS general training. In my upcoming videos, I will be uploading a complete list of different modules, complete create videos of different modules for PTE core as well, and I will be making separate playlist for PTE core, all the 4 different modules. What are the different modules from basic to the advanced level, how different modules are assessed, what is the marking criteria of all the different modules, and what should you do to score your minimum 80 marks in PTE core. The biggest difference also lies in the IELTS writing, PTE core writing. IELTS speaking, PTE core speaking. IELTS writing involves 2 tasks. Task 1 is letter writing, task 2 is essay writing. Word limit of letter is 150, word limit of essay is 250, whereas so PTE consists of only 2 tasks: summarize written test, in which you have to write between 50 to 70 words. Email writing, that also around 70 to 100 word limit. So it is very, very easy. Writing is very easy. On the other hand, if I talk about speaking module, in IELTS speaking, you will have the examiner in front of you. You will have the 3 different part 1, part 2, part 3. You know the details of IELTS speaking. Whereas in PTE core, there are 7 very, very, very easy types of questions in PTE core, which are assessed by AI only. There is no human interactions in the PTE core speaking. It is only AI assessed. It is only AI scored. That means you can easily crack PTE core and score your desired band. And if you want to get some basic tips about the PTE core, you want to assess your level by checking the PTE core syllabus and the modules and the different type of tasks you will get in PTE core, I will drop the link of my PTE core website in the pinned comments and also in the description of this video. You just need to click on that link, sign up there, and you are good to go. You will get 1 free mock test in that on that website, which is for PTE core. You can take PTE academic as well. You can take PTE core as well. If you are applying for Canadian work permit or Canadian permanent residency, you should go for PTE core. So you just need to click that link, sign up there, and you can take 1 mock test, which will give you a basic idea what is your level, if PTE core is beneficial for you or not, and I am there to help you anyway round. So I will be uploading videos on IELTS as well, and on PTE core as well. I will be making new videos on PTE core as well. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you find this video beneficial or informative. Do like this video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe my channel for more daily informative videos on IELTS. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, and all the very, very best for IELTS preparation.